So this is about all our profile related activities. How to update my profile. Have a tap onto the view profile. So once you tap onto the view profile, you will get your profile details on here. I'm using a profile details called, Thomas Selby, and he's a team leader of iPhone project. He's in the action at the moment. He's working right now. And Thomas manager is, Logan McNeil, and his location is New York, US. And this is all about his education details. And this is, feedback related blog that anyone can give the feedback to in the entire organizations to the Thomas. This is the Thomas job work history, and you can able to see the full details of the Thomas on below. His employee ID is 25074, and this is all about his designation related business title, and he is coming to that he is a regular employee. On here, on below that, you can able to see you can able to see his complete details, like when he was being hired. He's hired on 05/25/2021, and it will going to be counted system automatically. It's a 1 year 4 months 4 days. And below you can able to see his contact information, his organization, working related address, activities. Have a tap on to the overview. You can able to identify his pay and compensation related details on here, and the compensation details people can able to identify on here. He's receiving a compensation per annum approximately, along with his salary, up to 7 lakhs. Okay. On below that, you can able to see what are all compensations he is receiving from the organization, and the organization name would be the salary credit is it's an Global Modern Services SA France 0407 is the organization code. And coming to the below, you can able to see what are all compensation he was being taken so far, the dates related available data, plan related types, allowance plan he received it, and monthly salary he received from the organizations so far. Coming to the pay related activities, how to download the pay slip. So we can open directly to our profile, and in that we need to go to the pay tab. Once we enter into the pay tab, we will go to payslip blogger on here. Once we enter to this option, we will get a couple of options to download our payslip. See, we will receive this. Go to these three dots. These three dots, we will call it as an actions. Okay, in Workday language. So we need to enter into these three dots. We will get an actions fields. In this action field, you need to go here and export to your payslip from here. And since this is a training tenant, we did receive the exact, payslip format into this data sheet. Okay. But ongoing, I will share you how to create a payslip along with this application. We have a separate session to discuss those related activities in the ongoing sessions under the process of, related to the active calculation fields. We can able to discuss related to the payslip activities on same. This is where we can able to download our payslips, and we can check the taxes related detections from the organization under the tax selections, and we can download the taxes related detections documents from the taxes documents blogger. No current documents as of now was been available. Go to the job. You can see the complete your leave balance in your current organization. These are all the details. You can have an export to this file from here, download it from here, Tap to open up your folder. You can able to see your complete leave balance related details, entire year, how many leaves you have, and when you're supposed to be take these all leaves, and what are all procedure you're supposed to take the leaves. Those details will be uploaded on here. Okay. And next to that, your job details, current job designation related activities, and your location related details. It was been updated on here. I'll just give a little brief about this table. This is your start date of your joining date to the organization, and your current position, and your organization name, and your location. Your pay rate type has been whether it was been INR or USD or pounds or dinar, something like that. It will show you your shortcut of pay rate currency. FTE means full-time employee. We having it 100%, and weekly login hours we need to maintain 40 hours to the organization from Monday to Friday, and the total salary allowance included we are receiving to the CTC is 3,28,000 USD. Coming to the compensation block, whatever the compensations you're receiving from the organization, those compensation related informations we have received from here. These details we will discuss. Go to the benefits related activities. If any benefits was organization providing to you on specified department or specified employees, those related benefits points will be updated here. As of now, no benefits has been updated, that's why it's showing as an empty. And coming to the below, you can able to see the personal details of the employee. Okay, the personal information of the employee, gender details, date of birth, age, marriage status, and which city is based on from. Those are all details we can able to identify on here. And you can see his personal vaccination details and vacation details and documentation details on here. Coming to the contact related information, you can find his organization contact related information along with the address, and you can see his home related information, and along with the address, those related mobile number and details will be appear on here. His contact details, email IDs, home address, organization address will be captured in this contact information. Coming to, if you want his performance related activity, you can able to see here his performance related. Go with performance review. As of now, no data has been available, but I'll show you. Wait, I'll pick up any of the other employee. Alex Grossman is one of the employee, test employee, which we created to this employee recently to give an more understanding. Coming to the performance, you can see his performance related reviews on here. Review of the employee, start date and the end date. You can have a manager rating of related details. If you want to view any of this yearly basis of review, have a tap onto the view. You will get the complete information of the employee, of his performance related activity related details. Clear? If you want to download it, have a tap onto here, PDF, and you can have a tap to excuse me, tap to OK from here. You can export his details to as an PDF. Yes, I think so. Go to the career. You can see your career related performance in the current organization, employee talent analysis, Here we given a little symbolic related details and the information. The current rating of the employees out of 5 is 4, and retention is green color, is in the safe zone, and talent placement that will be decided from the operations, not as an Workday consultant ourselves. If you want to export this file, you can have an export and you can check the complete details from here and download it. If you want to check his absent related activities, his leave balance related activities, have a tap onto the absence and balance. You will get complete balance of the employee absent details. This is unit of time, number of days he was being absented, being of a year balance, and carry forwarding balance. These all related informations we will cover up once we are going to cover the staffing module. So this all we can able to track into the staffing movements, and I will show you how this carry forward years will be going to be, and leave balances and how to apply the leave related activities. The current month of absence request, you can able to check into this. So you was being completely taken for Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Monday, and it was mentioned is an vacation hours that you took an permission from your organization, and those absence was being converted to as an personal leaves. And your overall leave balances you can able to identify from here. These are all your leave balance details and the plan details when you're supposed to be taken and used. And you can have an export the file if you wanted, and you can download it and you can able to watch as an observe. This is all about your individual view and performance related activity. So if anyone having any questions that some sequence I did not understand anything, something like that. Hope your silence is no. I'll go with the next one. So this is the team you can able to identify. Okay, just have a tap onto the team. So you can check the current team of yours. This is completely your team related activities. This all people was being looped to you along with you, whatever the your regular activities on your organization. These people will be included to you working on the same. This is your organization chart map. Come to the main menu. Go to the profile, and next to that you people can find my account. If you tap onto the my account, whenever you would like to change of your password, you can have a tap onto the change of your password. Immediately you people will receive the three options. Right now I'm not doing that option. Why? Because I'm using an server. Okay, if I do that option, whomsoever the students who has been connected and looping to me, they will get blocked for next 4 to 24 hours. So I'll show you in the notepad. Once you tap onto the password change, how it will be look. First it will ask you enter your current password, and second third password. Okay, old password I'm just mentioning here. some XYZ at numerical 123. New password I'm entering XYZ at 321. So post entering our 3 bloggers, you can have an option called tab to OK and submit. Once you've submitted, immediately the password has been going to change, whatever the new password you was being updated. Once you change your password, unfortunately, if you forgot your password, you can reset your password. The reset of password, you need to go with your team leader. You need to raise a request through your Outlook, whatever the email facility is your organization providing you, that you need to enter you need to give your details and your error screenshot of your login page, and immediately your team leader is going to be and reset your password, and he will going to share you your new password to you on the same. Go to the next one. Workbench. What is mean by workbench? Workbench is an purely related and business process activities. If any projects is coming to our organization newly, we need to capture the complete business process activities. This business process activities was going to be and captured and covered in the business process related activities. And coming to the next option would be come to the main menu. Go to the sitemap. What is mean by sitemap? Sitemap is all about, it's a purely related to your organization, individual departments, individual employee report related data options will be available over there. I'll show you. Okay. So these all, departments of your individual organization. In within your organization, this is all like your individual departments. If you want to check any of the report related activity, take it as an example. You want to check the compensation related activities. You have approximately 122 compensation report within your organization, and you can check which compensation you would like to check. I want to check my bonus plan. Have a tap on to the bonus plan related activities and select your bonus plan related all plans. I'm just selecting some XYZ plan name, tapping on OK, and I can download it, this complete, compensation bonus plan related details on here. It's an 2000 USD bonus plan related, where organization running this compensation to us, and the plan name would be a AAA bonus plan. Okay, just tap on to the explore and download it from here. Open up. In detail, you can have a view. Post your work. View has been completed. You can close it on the same. Come to the main menu. This is how we need to use the sitemap related activities, guys.